While it is commonly said that eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away, did you know that eating apples isn't the only way to stay healthy and keep the doctor at bay? In fact, there are several foods or products that can offer you as much benefit, if not more. Herbs are known for their medicinal properties, and while some are quite common and widely used for various purposes, especially in the kitchen, there are some unusual ones that steal the spotlight because of their healing effects. Whether you're looking to address digestive issues, boost your immune system, or relieve pain, these 4 herbs that we'll be discussing in today's video are certainly ones to watch out for. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Lemongrass. This tall plant is one of the most medicinal herbs you can use for a variety of purposes. To start with, it's known to contain several antioxidants, including isoaurantin and chlorogenic acid, which can prove crucial in the prevention of certain diseases. Furthermore, lemongrass has been found to have antimicrobial properties, making it effective in helping treat oral infections and cavities. The benefits of this herb don't stop there. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that are useful in preventing heart disease and stroke. This is made possible due to the presence of 2 main compounds, citral and geraniol, both of which help prevent the release of certain inflammation-causing markers in your body. This property of lemongrass also makes it suitable as a natural remedy for bloating, menstrual cramps, and stomach cramping. Additionally, you might be interested to know that lemongrass may play a role in preventing or reducing the risk of cancer. According to research, the compound citral appears to have potent anti-cancer abilities. It displays this effect either by boosting the immune system or by killing off cancerous cells. Another reason to consider using lemongrass is its ability to help reduce high blood pressure and regulate cholesterol. A study from 2012 in which volunteers consumed either lemongrass tea or green tea found that participants who drank lemongrass tea experienced a drop in blood pressure and a significantly lower heart rate. Another study in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research showed that lemongrass oil extract helped lower cholesterol levels in animals, thus making it a promising option for reducing the risk of heart disease. Also, if you're trying to lose weight, lemongrass tea has been identified as a beneficial choice to help you achieve your goals. If lemongrass sounds like an option for you, you can prepare it by brewing lemongrass tea, either with a tea bag or the powder. Alternatively, the raw herb can also be cooked or boiled in a pot of hot water and consumed once it cools. Number 2. Wheatgrass. If lemongrass seems like there's a lot to it, then wait until you hear what wheatgrass has to offer. This herb is another less-known option that is packed with nutrients and antioxidants, making it useful in several ways. One of the main reasons why wheatgrass is highly desirable is because of its potent combination of nutrients. It contains iron, calcium, magnesium, 17 amino acids, proteins, enzymes, phytonutrients, and several vital vitamins. That'll make it a top choice for healing your body quickly and improving your overall health. Like lemongrass, wheatgrass also possesses antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial both in the prevention and treatment of various medical conditions, including arthritis. Moreover, it can help eliminate impurities or toxins that might be detrimental to your health. According to research from 2011, wheatgrass was found to aid digestion by efficiently breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, thanks to the high levels of enzymes present in it. Wheatgrass is also effective in cleansing your intestines, relieving constipation, and preventing other digestive issues. Since it's a nutrient-dense food, it can promote satiety and diminish the urge to consume foods high in sugar or fat. This makes it advantageous during your weight loss journey, as it can also enhance your metabolism. Studies have shown that wheatgrass can stabilize blood sugar levels, owing to compounds that produce effects similar to insulin, thereby lowering the glycemic index of foods. Another point in favor of wheatgrass is its ability to boost overall mental function and reduce anxiety. Research supports this, indicating that wheatgrass offers neuroprotective effects conducive to improved cognitive function and potential treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, some studies suggest it might play a role in cancer prevention. To reap these benefits, consuming wheatgrass is recommended. It's mostly taken as fresh juice, but it's also available in powder and capsule forms, depending on your preference. Number 3. Blackberry Leaf Tea. If you're struggling with mouth disorders and you need the perfect herb to address them, Then you really can't look any further than Blackberry Leaf Tea. This unique herbal tea is another not-so-common option made from the leaves of the blackberry bush. Like lemongrass and wheatgrass, it also contains several beneficial compounds that make it a valuable addition to your daily diet. Blackberry leaf tea is rich in antioxidants and helps you protect your cells and support your overall health. These antioxidants also play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving skin health. Blackberry leaf tea possesses anti-inflammatory properties as well, which may support digestion and promote healthy gut bacteria, preventing issues like constipation and bloating. Additionally, this herbal tea is rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and calcium, all vital for boosting the immune system and enhancing your overall health. As previously mentioned, those with mouth disorders such as sore throats, sore gums, or mouth ulcers can consider this as an effective remedy. The blackberry leaf can be utilized in several ways aside from just being a tea option. It can be chewed raw to strengthen the gums and treat oral thrush. A decoction of the root can also be used to address diarrhea. Given its ability to tone and tighten the skin, blackberry leaves can be applied as a poultice or used as a skin wash. Number 4. Linden Tea. This is another great herbal tea option. One of the main reasons it is rated so highly is due to its potent sedative properties. This particular tea has been used for several hundred years and comes with quite a number of benefits. Among its many benefits, it's used to promote relaxation and relieve symptoms of anxiety. According to research, linden extract mimics the activity of a brain chemical known as GABA, aminobutyric acid, which inhibits excitability in the human nervous system. Another good thing about it is that it can help fight off chronic inflammation, which can lead to conditions such as type 2 diabetes and cancer. Linden tea is known to contain a potent antioxidant called teliricide, which plays a part in fighting inflammation by removing free radicals in the body that can cause oxidative damage, leading to inflammation. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, linden tea is also able to ease pain and treat conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. These exceptional properties, especially through the antioxidant, have also been found to reduce blood pressure, though more research is needed to back this up. Considering that one of its more potent uses is for relaxation, linden tea can also be used to improve sleep quality and duration, thanks to its strong sedative properties. Adding this powerful herbal tea to your diet is easy, as you can prepare it just as you would regular tea. For even better results, studies have found that it's helpful to prepare your tea without a filter bag, as this will allow you to retain more of the antioxidants, thus providing maximum benefits from drinking the tea. Whether you decide to stick with lemongrass tea, wheatgrass tea, blackberry leaf tea, or linden tea, it's important to consume them in moderate quantities. Too much of even the best things can prove to be harmful, so be sure to stay within a safe consumption limit. Which of these herbal teas have you tried before? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you liked this video, then you should also check out Drink 1 cup of these before bed and burn belly fat. Bonus drink for morning after.